Imagine an animal that can lose a leg and grow it back, not just once, but over and over, perfectly. No scars, no limitations, and scientists still can't fully explain how. This adorable creature is the axolotl, a rare salamander found only in the ancient lakes of Mexico. Unlike other amphibians, axolotls never grow up, staying in a permanent juvenile state called neoteny. But what makes them truly legendary is what their bodies can do. The superpower, full body regeneration. Axolotls can regenerate entire limbs, bones, muscles, nerves, blood vessels, even fingertips. But wait, it gets crazier. They can rebuild their spinal cord, parts of their heart, and even portions of their brain. And when the new limb grows back, it's almost identical to the original, fully functional, no scarring. The cellular mystery. When a limb is lost, the wound seals within hours. Then something miraculous happens. Cells near the injury revert back into a stem cell-like state, forming a growth mass called the blastema. This blastema holds the blueprint to rebuild whatever was lost. These cells somehow know what to become: bone, skin, nerves, and arrange themselves perfectly. Human medicine can't do anything like this yet. Could axolotls help humans? If scientists can decode the axolotl's genetic instructions, we may unlock breakthroughs in spinal injury treatments, heart repair, maybe even limb regeneration. Some researchers believe axolotl genes could change the future of medicine. But here's the twist. For all their biological brilliance, axolotls are critically endangered in the wild. Habitat loss and pollution have pushed them to the edge. The creature that could help save us might not survive without us. The axolotl isn't just a cute face, it's a living scientific miracle, a puzzle we're still trying to solve, and maybe the key to healing the human body.